Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 19 of the advent calendar unboxings. Let's go straight into it and see what we got. We're going to go in with the Airwick calendar number 19. Ooh, 19 you guys, I'm so excited. Oh, can't even open it. What is going on? Oh, so it is a purple one, which is the winter berries. I'm going to pop that there, and then I'm going to go into the one that I made myself, which is this one. Day number 19. Oh, it's another one of the So fragrances. Oh, and this is So Kiss Me, which I really like the smell of this. I do have a perfume of this, and I really like it. Oh my god, I'm literally sweating, you guys. It's so warm. In this cardigan, like, oh, if you ever need like something to keep you warm, get one of these warm winter Christmas cardigans, seriously. Let's go into the Soap and Glory one. And fine, right, so number 19 has already been opened. So, it's number 13 that I haven't opened. So, just so you guys know, I'm now opening number 13. If anyone's confused, for some reason, when it was day 13, I opened 19. I don't know how it happened. Obviously there's something wrong with me, but I'm very excited because again it is one of the sexy Mother Pucker lip glosses. Holy moly, this one is much more of a nude and it's in the shade Bare Enough. I can't wait. I don't know why I'm smelling it because I know what it's going to smell like, because obviously they all smell the same. We've got so many of these, I'm so happy. Okay, that was the Soap and Glory one. Let's go into the Sleek one. Honestly, you guys, seriously so excited. 19, where are you? 19, I have found it. It is written. It is a written word. The Soap and Glory one is actually like rose gold coloured too, which are not Soap and Glory. Oh my god, I've just seen what it is. I'm really excited. The Sleek one is rose gold too, but look. Oh my god. You guys might remember that Mercedes got me this, like, oh, I'm so excited, one of the collection glitter liner things in our makeup swap last year, and I was obsessed. Oh my god, it is actually a brush as well, like it's not one of those hard pointy things, but I want to use it. Oh my god, I love it. I love that so much. Yes, definitely going to be using that. Oh my gosh, it's a glitter liner in the shade Avoid Direct Contact with Eyes. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Steel. It's in the shade Steel and it's like really glittery, and even the packaging is super cute. Look at the lid. Oh, I love that. Okay, I'm excited. Let's have a look inside the L one. Oh my god, I'm so warm. Number 19 is right here. No, we don't need you anymore. I'm just gonna go like that. It's fine. Don't worry. Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid, all skin types. Creates radiant, even toned skin. Okay. Oh, it's an exfoliant. Smooths wrinkles and fine lines. Okay. It's very liquidy. It's an exfoliant. Can't wait to use it anyway. I'm definitely going to be using it out, trying it out. If you guys are interested in knowing how it is, let me know. And cheers. So, 2, 4, 5, Glossy Box. Let's go into Glossy Box. Number 19 is a beautiful rose gold box that I'm somewhat excited about. And we have got, what is this? I think it's like a moisturiser. Crabtree and Evelyn London, rose water and pink peppercorn. Hydrating. Wow, so it doesn't actually say what it is, but I'm guessing it's a moisturiser. I think it's a face moisturiser. I'm definitely excited to try that out. Should we see if it's sealed? Probably will be. Sealed. Gosh darn it! But it's fine. No worries about that. Let's move on to Body Shop. This Body Shop calendar is really good. Number 19 is here. Oh, it's another heavy one. They're getting heavy now, you guys. I feel like we've had the little mini one, like the small ones, and it's getting kind of big and heavy. Oh, we've got more Drops of Youth. And this one is... So, is this going to be similar to the other one? I don't have this as well. Like I did mention in one of the previous days, we got like a Drops of Youth face mask. I do have the Drops of Youth, whatever the word is, the collection, but I don't have this product, and it just says youth cream. Apply morning and evening, so it's basically a face moisturiser, and I really do like the Drops of Youth. I'm definitely going to be using this. I cannot wait to get trying it and see if it helps my like dried, wrinkly, horrible skin. Let's have a look inside the Look Fantastic one. Let's have a look, see. Ooh, what is this? This is an S-Spa. I feel like I might have this as well. Overnight Hydration Therapy. So it's basically like an overnight mask. Yeah, and I think you basically just... Yeah, it doesn't say you have to wash it off, so you put it on at night time and then let it soak in and then go to bed. And it does some kind of magical cream thing. I don't know what, but we will find out. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So that is everything from day 19 of the Advent calendars. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I know some of them are nice and short, and then some of them are a little bit longer because sometimes I do have a tendency to ramble. But it's fine, I'm sure you guys are happy either way, hopefully. I'm just going to tell myself that. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I love you so, so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.